In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your text by adding a unique underline style in Microsoft Word. Whether you're looking to spruce up a document or emphasize certain words in a more visually appealing way, using different underline styles can be a great way to enhance your text and make it stand out. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your Word document and selecting the specific text that you want to have underlined. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the text, or simply double-clicking a single word if that's the only word you want to emphasize. Once you have your text highlighted, the next step is to locate the Home tab at the top of your Word interface. In the Home tab, you'll notice a section labeled Font, which houses various text styling options. Within this font group, look for a small arrow located at the bottom right corner. This is a very handy shortcut that, when clicked, opens up the font dialog box for more advanced text customizations. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also access this dialog by pressing Ctrl and D on your keyboard. Once you've opened the font dialog, you'll see a variety of options, but for today, we're focusing on the underline style. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu dedicated to underline options. By clicking on this drop-down, you reveal a range of underline styles available to you. These options include dotted, dashed, and double underlines, among others. Feel free to scroll through the list and choose the one that best suits your document's style or emphasis needs. But it doesn't stop there. If you wish to add a touch of color to your underline to make it truly pop, Word offers you that flexibility as well. Just to the side of the Underline Style drop-down, you'll find another option labeled Underline Color. Selecting this allows you to choose a specific color for your underline, giving you creative control over whether it matches your text color or contrasts it to draw more attention. Once you've made your selections, simply click OK to apply your new underline style to the text. Instantly, you'll see your underline appear just beneath the selected text, and it will reflect the style and color choices you made. It's a seamless process that adds a professional and polished look to any document. And that's all there is to it. Custom underline styles not only elevate the look of your document, but also give you a way to uniquely highlight and emphasize key pieces of information. It's an effective and simple method to enhance text functionality and aesthetics. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing.